lay these suckers, I come out to that line, I don't go past, and then I can put down some silicone. Form a water stop. I hear the lawnmowers outside going for it. It's going to rain this afternoon. Be a bit stormy, they reckon. I never have my glue, it's sort of always a little bit softer than stiff. You know, and then the couch potato says in a comment, oh, he didn't relax his lines. Well, he doesn't really know. He doesn't really know what stiffness my glue is. Right. There I've got, where's the short level? Now that's a no-no. You try not to do that. I didn't wash this level the other day when I screeded the floor. That's why people have a young fella, because then if things don't get washed, they can get up them. See that bubble? I've got to get some some nice clean levels for you to see. Let's come down a little bit closer. See that fall? That is a major smicky-doo fall, people. And that's what you should be looking for. That bubble is exactly the same. And there's no way you can have water falling back from your waist. How the hell? Yes, I had a comment the other night. Yes, their levels are up the shit, their pads are wrong, and they give it very slight fall, and that's when it stuffs up and goes the other way. 1, 2, 3. Let's put in number 3. Notice how all the grain is going that way. In the laundry, it's going the same way. In the toilet next door, when I lay that, it's going the same way. In the ensuite, there's a bedroom and then the ensuite, and the toilet, but it's all going the same way. And all that, what is it, vinyl plank out there, that's all going the same way. All the grain is going the same way in this whole house. People that you do the work for, they recognise that sort of thing. Some of them anyway. Others don't. Noise. I hope I'm showing enough floor being laid. I'll get this water stop in, and then I'll carry on. I'll have a movie of the water stop going in, and then the rest of my floor. So hopefully I don't get whinged at, or I haven't been whinged at, I just get asked, Chriso, can you show us laying a bit more floor? I haven't. You know why? Because I always thought it was so easy, but a DIY needs to sort of see that thing. I sort of think it's easy, and I gloss over it. I'm happy with that, people. You're always looking at your lines. I sound a little bit like a broken record. I'm sorry, but it is very important. Your lines, you know, don't worry about that. I don't. When it's still green tomorrow, you just scrape it out with a knife. When you're knocking out your clips and getting ready for your walls. I'm happy with that. The lines are all nice. Always it's a big thing always that you got your lines right. Okay, I'll go and get my aluminium for this water stop. See this? Give it a poke. See that? That's what you do it with. And it also presses the subscribe button as well. See you soon.